In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an American Express card to Google Pay. If you're ready to make payments easier and more convenient, follow along with me. First, ensure you have the Google Wallet app installed on your phone. Once it's ready, go ahead and open the app. It's your gateway to a seamless payment experience. Next, you'll want to tap on the Add to Wallet option. This is where the magic begins, allowing you to add various forms of payment, including your American Express card. When you select Payment Card, you're on your way to integrating your card into the app. Now, you have two options for entering your card information. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera, a quick and efficient method, or if you prefer, you can manually enter the card details. Take your time to ensure all details are accurate. This will save you from any potential hiccups later on. Once you've entered the card information, follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Google Pay will guide you through the process, providing prompts for each step. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. At this stage, you may be required to verify your card. This is a crucial step to ensure security and confirm your identity. Verification can be done through the American Express app, or you might receive a code via text or email. Simply follow the instructions provided to complete this process. Alternatively, if you prefer or encounter any issues, you can add your card directly through the American Express app or website. Navigate to the Digital Wallets and Payment Features section for a smoother setup experience. Before you finish, let's cover some important considerations. Make sure your card is eligible for Google Pay. Eligibility requirements might vary, so it's always good to double check. Additionally, ensure you've entered all card details correctly before submitting. Any errors could delay the process or cause issues with transactions. Lastly, be aware that your bank might require additional verification. This is a standard security measure to protect your financial information, and that's it. You've successfully added an American Express card to Google Pay. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of making quick, secure payments directly from your phone. Thanks for watching, and happy spending!